Good morning friends, how are you? Welcome to Dynamic Group of Institutions online classes. This is Anil Aradra, Chemistry faculty. Already we discussed about the types of unit cells and the crystal lattice. Now we are going to discuss about the types of unit cells. The types of unit cells, very important topic. In the last class, we discussed about the crystal lattice and the types of unit cells. Now, we are going to discuss about the very important topic, the calculation of lattice points. So here, the calculation of lattice points are very important. Calculation of lattice points. So before going to discuss this calculation of lattice points, we have to see the contribution of the lattice points at different positions of the unit cell. So here the contribution of the lattice points. Contribution of the lattice points at corner, next at a face center, next at a body center, next at a edge center. Yeah. Now we are going to discuss about the contribution of the lattice points at corner, at face center, at body center, and the edge center. Now here, actually, how many number of corners are present here? Total 8 number of corners are present here. Now at corner, face center, and body center, next the edge center. So what the contribution of the lattice points? Now actually the corners are a total 8. So here it is. So it is the unit cell. Now for this unit cell we got total 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is the total 8 corners. So in the 8 corners we have to take only one single point. That is a single lattice point. That means here 1, 2, 3, 4 lattice points are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, total 8 corners are there. 8 lattice points are present. Now for this lattice point, how much contribution is there at the corner? Now I have to check. Suppose here it is a book. Now I have to arrange the number of books around this one. Then how many number of books must be touched to this point we have to check. So here what we did. So here for this lattice point I am choosing here is the lattice point. So I am choosing the lattice point here. Now for this lattice point how many books are touched here? That we have to check. Now suppose here it is the lattice point. This lattice point is different from this one. Now the books are arranged like this. Suppose here is the book. Now it is the second book. It is the placement of the second book. Now here is the lattice point. Here is the arrangement of the second book, but it does not touch to this point. Now next come to the second position. Suppose this book is placed here. It touches to the lattice point or not? No. Why? Because here is the lattice point. Now come to the next arrangement. So here is the first arrangement, here is the second arrangement. There is no touch this point. Now come to the third position. Now here is the book. Now here is the next book. So this point is touches to this book. Nothing but here this point is touches to two books. In the next question, so here is the question of the book. So here is the first book, here is the second book, and here is the third book. Nothing but this point is touches to the third book also. And next question belongs to here. So this point is touches to total four books. What are they? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total 4 books. Next, is any option? Yes. So it is the next question. So this point is touches to total 5 books. So here is 1, here is 2, here is 3, here is 4, here is 5. Is there any second and next option? Yes. So it is a 5. Next already one book is here. उसका ऊपर और एक book. So the sixth one. Already one book is here. उसका ऊपर और एक book. Total 7. One book is already here. उसका ऊपर और एक book. Total 8 books are covered or touches this point. So the point taken at the corner have covered total 8 books. So those are, that is the first book, second book, third book, fourth book, and इसका ऊपर और एक fifth, and इसका ऊपर और एक sixth, इसका ऊपर और एक seventh, इसका ऊपर और एक 8. Total 8 books are touches to this point. 8 books are touches to only one point. So one point, the corner, we are choosing the one point at the corner. So 8 books are touches to one point. Now from here, suppose here one apple is there. Now the one apple is contributed to only one person. Then what's the contribution here? One apple is contributed to only one person. How much contribution is this? Remember, only one is the contribution. Next, here again same. One apple is contributed to two persons. What's the contribution? So we got the half. Nothing but 1/2. If one apple is contributed to one person, the contribution belongs to only one. One apple is contributed to two persons, we got the half is the contribution. Suppose one apple is contributed to 4 members. What is the contribution? So we got the total 1/4. Suppose 8 members are. So one apple is contributed to 8 members. We can get the 1/8 portion. The same way here, one point is touches to 8 books. Then what's the contribution? So here 1/8 is the contribution. So here, very good. One apple is contributed by only one person. The contribution is a total single apple, one apple. If the single apple is contributed by 2 members, 1/2 is the contribution. One apple is contributed by 4 members, 1/4 is the contribution. One apple is contributed by 8 members, or the 1/8 is the contribution. In the same way, here 1 point is contributed by 8 books. 1 point is contributed by 8 books. So then, what about the contribution? 1/8 is the contribution. So 1 point is contributed to 8 books. So what is the contribution? 1/8. The same way here, the corner, if the lattice point present at the corner is contributed by 1/8 only. Next come to the face center. Now we have to choose the point at the face center. Now the explanation. Face center, lattice point at the face center. Now here for this book we have chosen the total 6 face centers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 faces are there. We have to choose one lattice point at any one of the face center. Now I have to choose the face center here. Here is the face, here is the center. So 1 point, second point, third point, fourth point, fifth point and sixth point. Now here I am choosing the lattice point at here. So for this point how many books must be touches? That's we have to take. Now the arrangement of the book like this. So here it touches to the point or not. So it does not touch to this point. Now suppose here is the book. So here is the point we have to choose it. And the book is placed like this. It does not touch to this point. Suppose here also this point does not touch to this book. Now come to the next question. Suppose here this book is placed here. This book is placed here. Now we are choosing the lattice point at this face center only. That's right. If you arrange the book like this, so the point which is chosen here is touches to this book. That means here this point is touches to 2 books. That's why here. So at the point in the face center, the point in the face center is touches to 2 books. So here the point at the face center, the one point in the face center is touches to 2 books. Then what is the contribution? So the point is only one point is touches to the face center. How much contribution is there? Means 1 by 2. Why? Because 8 books are touches to 1 point. The contribution belongs to 1 by 2. 2 books are touches to 1 point. The contribution is 1 by 2. Suppose 4 books are touches. Then what is the contribution? 1 by 4. So here at the face center we got the only 2 books are get touched. So that's why the contribution belongs to only 1 by 2. Next we go for the body center. So the body center we didn't get another book. Only one book is touched. That's why the contribution belongs to 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Yeah. So for this one, the body center belongs to inside the book. So here is the body center. Inside the book, you got the body center. For this body center, if the point at the body center, that means it is the body center. The center of the body is present inside the book. Suppose you can arrange any book at any position. So in this position, whatever the position it is, the center point, the body center does not attach to this book. That means the body center touches to only one book. That's why the contribution belongs to 1 by only one book. So 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Now what about the edge center? So the edges, how many edges are present? We got the 12 edges are present. So here, how many edges are present here? So here we got the edges. Here is the edge. So the edge belongs to, here is the one edge. Here is the edge. Next, here is the edge. Next, here is the edge. So for this face we got 4 edges. So first edge, second edge, third edge and fourth edge. Total 4 edges are present. The same way here in the opposite direction we got the again 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this side 4 edges, this side 4 edges. Then come to here. So for this side, how many edges are present? Only 2, but not the 4. Why? Already here in this edge comes here. This edge comes here. That's why for this face we got only the 2 edges, 1 and 2. This edge comes here. This edge comes here. That's why we are omitting this and this. Remember, these 2 edges we have to omit. That's why here 2 edges will come, here 2 edges will come. Total, how many edges are there? So you can get a total 12 edges are present. So for any cube or cuboid, 12 edges are present. So here or it got, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. This side 4. This side only 2. We have to omit these 2. We have to omit these 2. That's why here we got only 2. So 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus here opposite again 2. Total 12. So 4 plus 4, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12. So the 12 edges are present. Now we have to choose the lattice point at any one of its edge center. Now here, remember this one? Here is the face. Here is the edge. 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 Now remember here is the face center. That totally belongs to the face center. Here this belongs to the edge. This belongs to the edge and this belongs to the second edge. So we have to choose one point at the edge center. So the one point is taken at the edge center. So here is one edge, and here is another edge. Edge. Now I am choosing one point at this edge center. So here is the point. Now how many books that touches to this edge center? We have to take. Now here, now arrange the books. Here I have to arrange the book like this. So it does not touches to this point. Is it right or not? So this book is placed like this. This book does not touches to this point. Now come to here. It is arrangement. No. It is also does not touches to this point. Now come to the another position. So here is the book. Now come to here. So this particular edge is touches to this book. That means here one point is touches to 2 books. Is there any another possible? Yes. Now it is the another possible. उसका ऊपर और एक बुक रखिए समझो. So तब you can get the third book. Next, you have to choose another book. Already one book is placed here. उसका ऊपर और एक book रखो. So total 4 books. So here, if you choose the one lattice point at the edge center, then how many books are get touched? 4. So it is the 1. It is the 2. It is the 2. उसका ऊपर और एक third, उसका ऊपर और एक 4. That's right. One point is touches to 4 books. So here one point is touches to the 4 books. So what contribution? So we can get a 1 edge center. So we got a 1 by. So here at the edge center, 1 point is contributed by how many books? 4 books. 4 books. Right. We can get 1 by 4. So it belongs to the one that what is the contribution of the lattice point at the edge center. So is the very important. So based on this contribution, we got the chromosome G mains and the knee and also C. Almost each and every year we got the problems on this the contribution of the lattice points. So very important. So you have to remember the contribution of the lattice point at the corner belongs to 1 by 8, at the face center 1 by 2, at body center 1, only 1. At edge center 1 by 4. So it's the contribution. So based on the contribution of the lattice points, we have to calculate the lattice points. Calculation of atoms per unit cell. The first one belongs to simple cube. First one, simple cube. Here, the contribution of the lattice points. So at corner 1 by 8, face center 1 by 2, body center 1, and edge center 1 by 4. Remember these points. Now, what is the geometry of the simple cube? So in a simple cube, the lattice points are present at only corners. So here it is the lattice point. Here is the lattice point 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we got the corners. Total number of corners. How many corners are there? 8 corners are there. So now what's the contribution? So the contribution of the lattice point at a corner, how much? 1 by 1. That's fine. So the atoms per unit cell is equal to 8 into the number of corners into the contribution. So 1 by 2 is equal to only 1 atom is present. So for simple cube, only one atom is present per unit cell. Simple cube. Now come to the next one. Now for body centered cubic unit cell, body centered cubic unit cell simply belongs to the BCC. Body centered cubic unit cell belongs to BCC. Now the diagram for this one. At the corners we got the 8 points and at the center of the body we got the 1 point. So here at the corner is having 8 points and the body center having 1 point. Now the lattice points at the corner 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 corners are there. So we got the 8 lattice points are present. Now what about the body center? So only one body center is there. So already we discussed it earlier. So for the body center, how many body centers are there? Only one body center is there, belongs to only one point. Now here, how many corners are there? So 8 corners are there. What is the contribution of the lattice point at the corner? 1 by 8. So 8 points are there. The contribution of the lattice point at the corner belongs to 1 by 8. Right? The total number of lattice points is 8 corner is equal to how many corners are there? 8. And what's the contribution? What's the contribution? So 8 corners are there. What's the contribution? 1 by 8. So the contribution of lattice point at the corner belongs to 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 is equal to. Next, in BCC, including the corners, the lattice points are arranged in the body center also. So here the lattice points and body center is equal to how many lattice points are present in the body center? Only one. Now what is the contribution of the lattice point in the body center? Only one. Here the lattice points at the body center. Here is a lattice point at the body center. So how many body centers are present? Only one. Right? One. Into the contribution. What's the contribution here for the body center? Only one. Right? 1 into 1 is equal to. Therefore, the total lattice points is equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Therefore, simply 2 atoms. The atoms per unit cell in BCC, body centered cubic unit cell. BCC, body centered cubic unit cell, belongs to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 atoms. 2 atoms. 2 atoms. So it is the calculation of the atoms per unit cell in simple cube and in body centered cubic unit cell. Simply the BCC. Next day we go for the third one, belongs to the face centered unit cell. PC. So face centered cubic unit cell. So here for FCC, the lattice points are present at a corner. That means 8 lattice points at the corner and the face center. We got the 6 lattice points are there. Now here these are the lattice points. So 8 corners and next we go for the 8 6 faces. So 1, 2, 3, 4. For this face we got the 5. For this face we got the 6. Already we discussed earlier. Now here the lattice points at a corner is equal to 8 into the contribution. How much contribution is there from the corner? You got the 1 by 8. So 8 into 8 number into 1 by 8 is equal to. Next, the lattice points at a face center is equal to how many face centers are there? 6 into what's the contribution here for a face center? What's the contribution? 1 by 2 is equal to total 3 points. Total how many? So we got total 1 plus 8 3 that's total 4. So total atoms is equal to So 4 atoms are present. 4 atoms are present. FCC unit cell. So here how many electron points are present? 4. So here 4 atoms are present. The same way, the next one we go for the fourth one, ECC. End-centered cubic unit cell. End-centered cubic unit cell. So for this one, the diagram. So 8 lattice points are present at the 8 corners, including that any two opposite faces. We got the lattice point. So 8 corners. 8 corners, 8 points, and then any two opposite faces. It means if we choose the left point here, so opposite face belongs to here. If you choose here, the opposite face here, you have to choose. Any two opposite faces only you have to choose the lattice point. So I am choosing these two opposite faces. Now here, how many number of lattice points at the corner? How many? 8. And how many lattice points at the face center? How many? Only 2. Even though it contains 6 faces, you have to choose only 2 lattice points at the face centers. Okay, now, so the number of lattice points at corner. Lattice points at corner is equal to 8 into contribution 1 by 8 is equal to 1, and lattice points at the face center is equal to, so how many lattice points are there? Only 2. So what the contribution of the face center contribution 1 by 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, the total number of atoms, is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 atoms. So here only 2 atoms are. So here 2 atoms are here. The 4 atoms are present for FCC unit cell. Here 2 atoms are present. For ECC unit cell. It is the calculation of lattice points. It is very important for the theory. Very important for the theory. So we can get each and every year. So very important. So the calculation of lattice points. Calculation of lattice points for simple cube, next for BCC, next for FCC, next for ECC, and centered cubic unit cell. These are calculation of the lattice points. So here total 2 lattice points are present. Here 4 lattice points are present. In BCC 2 lattice points are present. In simple cube only 1 lattice point is present. That means simply the atoms. So it is the completion of the total topic, the calculation of the lattice points. In the next class, we will discuss about the types of unit cells based on the parameters. Simply the parameters means the axial lines and axial angles. So it is a very important topic. So it is very important for Gmails and NE. That belongs to the types of unit cells based on the parameters. So this is the completion of the today's topic. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.